I work as a leasing manager.
Assistant property manager since 2005.
Leasing consultant and then Monster Club coordinator.
Well, I was introduced to this industry back in 1996.
I was offered a property manager's position here, and I've been here since.
A lot of the challenges that we have in the tax credit industry is people trying to move in like immediately.
Then I've had someone here with a U-Haul truck waiting to move in prior to final approval. I called Preferred Compliance, and it was pretty much toward the end of the day, and they pretty much dropped everything, got that file approved, and that guy moved in.
So I have access to be able to getting a hold of anyone from Preferred Compliance, either through phone, email, messaging through like Windows Messenger, Facebook.
Preferred Compliance is always there. If we have any kind of question, they're always able to help us. I like the fact that I can just email or pick up a phone.
There's a lot of different ways to get a hold of them, a lot of different ways to get access to them.
The response time is minimal to what I was dealing with the compliance department. And not only that, I wasn't getting the individual attention that I'm now getting with Preferred.
I've heard horror stories about the compliance part, and one of the reasons why I didn't want to get into this property particularly was because everybody had such negativity from the compliance portion of all the paperwork and everything that you needed to do to be in compliance. And I can truly tell you that working with Preferred Compliance, it's probably the easiest thing that I have ever worked on.
The changes that we have to deal with, that they're simple. Preferred Compliance has professional people on staff that can actually make things that are harder seem very little.
They're very knowledgeable. I really have to give it to them. They are like a book.
She just made it easy for me to understand, and she will literally take step by step for me to understand, program it in my database, and just go with it for the next application.
But that's what Preferred Compliance does. It educates us and continually educates us.
Very understanding. They're very helpful, very hardworking people. Every time, like I said, I need them, they're always there. They never actually push us aside.
They have a very high moral standard, a very high ethical standard.
Knowing that I have someone that is going to answer all of my questions and not make me feel less of myself.
I would definitely say they're very, very friendly. They're always very professional, but at the same time sweet, which is kind of hard to find in this industry.
The teamwork, they make you feel like a part of them.
They really make you feel like family. They really show you that they care.
Are dedicated individuals, and they're just nice to work with. They're just got great personalities. They give great customer service. I totally enjoy them.